Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. All right, so in my last video, we were looking at this rising wedge we had going something like this. We actually broke to the downside right here, and we actually broke this 9 moving average that we were watching as well to the downside. Right now, we are still underneath the 9 moving average, which I don't really like, but it looks like we are coming up and testing it. In my opinion, until we break above this 9 moving average to the upside right here, then this 9 moving average might act as resistance and we might be bouncing to the downside off of it, something like that. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, I was kind of watching this falling channel going something like this, and we actually broke this trend line going to the upside right here. But like I said, we haven't broken that 9 moving average. We are above the 4-hour time frame 9 moving average, but yeah, so let's see how far this uptrend can go. I guess we could go to like the 1-hour time frame and maybe do a trend line going something like this. So we could watch this trend line on the 1-hour time frame, something like this, and until we break this going to the downside, let's see how far this trend line can go to the upside. It looks like we have this 180 moving average coming in right here. This is at about 0.204, somewhere around there. And it looks like we came up and we're getting a little bit of resistance right here. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we break this trend line going to the downside right there. But it's also possible that we break up right here, and then that might give us that might also be the same place that we'd break up for this daily 9 moving average, which would be good. It's possible that we just wick up and come back down though. This 180 moving average has been giving us trouble, this orange line right here on the daily time frame, and that's pretty much what gave us rejection right there. So yeah, in general, I would say on the daily time frame, you're probably going to want to watch this 180 moving average right here. I know we were watching the 4-hour 180 moving average for a while, but as you can see, it looks like this one is giving us resistance right here. The other thing, like I've been kind of talking about, is the weekly 9 moving average. So if you go to the weekly time frame, we can clear some of this stuff out. And until we break the blue line on this chart, or this time frame right here, this line right here, this 9 moving average on the weekly time frame, I think we're still going to be heading down as well. I mean, this is the one thing that I'm kind of waiting for us to break to the upside to get really bullish on. I think this is going to be the big signal. And as you can see, if we go to Bitcoin, I showed you guys this on my last video. We actually broke the weekly the 9 moving average right here, and we are still on the upside, which is good for crypto in general. And then if we go to like the total crypto market cap, same thing here. We're above the weekly 9 moving average, and we actually got a bounce on it. So I mean, maybe Dogecoin, I mean, I don't want to I know I said that until we break that 9 moving average on the weekly on Dogecoin that we might be heading down, but I mean, if we look at this chart, this is looking good for the total crypto market cap in general. So maybe Dogecoin isn't going to be going up right now, or it's not going to be until we break that weekly. Maybe that's not the best one, but I've been looking at some other ones. Cardano was doing good the other day. It looks like Ethereum's doing good today. Like you can see, this 9 moving average right here on the weekly time frame, we broke above that right there on Ethereum. On Cardano, we're testing it right now. Let's see what other. Polkadot was doing pretty good too. We're above the weekly 9 moving average on Polkadot as well. So yeah, some of these other coins are doing better than others. And then I guess we can probably go to the Bitcoin dominance as well. So yeah, check this out, guys. So we had this like rising wedge kind of pattern right here. Let's go to the daily time frame. We can see it a little bit better. Something like this, and it looks like we're breaking to the downside right now. So what this is telling me is the altcoins look like they are the ones that are leading the way possibly right now. So yeah, maybe Bitcoin is going to be taking a break and the altcoins are going to get a little correction to the upside right now, because the altcoins have been kind of getting beaten down for the past little while. So yeah, what I'm going to be watching is the daily time frame and this 9 moving average right here. This is going to be the first sign. If we could break that to the upside, then that's the first sign of bullishness. And then the next one would be the weekly 9 moving average, and this is sitting at around 0.235, somewhere around there. Those are the ones that I'm watching, and until we break those, I'm kind of assuming that we're heading down, but like I said, the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin and all these other coins, it looks like we're doing pretty decent. I like the way the total crypto market cap is looking. And yeah, it looks like on the total crypto market cap, it looks like the 180 moving average on the daily time frame might be giving us trouble too. So these are a couple of things that I'm watching, and I'm not sure what's going to happen. Like I said, I took profits and I took set up some limit orders at .192, .177, and .155. I'm not sure. I have other positions in the chart as well, so I'm not really worried. If it goes up, that'll be good, and if it goes down, I'll buy some more Dogecoin. So yeah, either way, I'm hedging my bets. But yeah, I have my limit order set at these levels, and I'm waiting to break the daily 9 moving average for starters. And really, that weekly moving average is what I've really been wanting to break. Until we do that, then I'm not really going to be super bullish, and these are just kind of little moves in general. Once we break this weekly moving average, maybe we'll get some sort of pumps like these, like with these big pumps that we've seen in the past. All right, if you guys like Dogecoin, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are interested in some of the other stuff I get into, check out my other YouTube channel. It's a garden channel. I've been kind of trying to put in some work on that channel lately. Also, if you want to see what program I'm using to view these charts, here's a trading view tutorial. I suggest you check it out. All right, see you in the next one.